alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? Hi. I hope everyone is fine. No, I hope some other people they're wondering, oh, who's this guy? Is he new to this channel? No, I'm not a new. What brings me here? Because of this, my brother Ismacilka. Before we say anything, we ask you to subscribe, share,
like.
Can't cost you anything.
Yeah, just subscribe, like, share, comment, iskiiqa qabano. Ismacilka walaalkiin. Dadku waa yaabuha maanta ila joog. Nin madax malaasar ay joog.
Yamba Ismacilka. Ya ninzanga wonyai.
Nin madax malaasar ay joog. Magaciisa waxaa JB. This is JB, my brother. Welcome, my friend. Maybe just introduce yourself to my. We making jokes.
Okay, I'm with JB. I want people to call me JB. You see. At the end, do so apa kan masuk aku. Yeah, some other people they call me JB. Can you follow me TikTok, Instagram?
Why you like Somali?
Okay, because before I had a girlfriend from Somalia. So that's why I like Somalia. I had a girlfriend from Somalia before, then we separated because of other things. And also I like it because the Somalia is Muslim, it's not a mix. Only also I'm a Muslim.
Give me my chance to finish. Channel so ya ano Somalia matali mahal
Sumiti zanga onyala yi. Muna magi ate kutukuka kufawizela bantu ngati noyo. We ask you nicely as a brother, sister, mother, grandmother. I know you watching us a different people. You see, a fat people, slender people, all people, white people, black people.
Yeah, this is JB from Malawi. Malawi is still Africa. We are not from Europe. Europe is the channel.